Hi guys, I'm Franco, and this is the SUB2000 from KelTec. This is a semi-auto carbine and 9mm. Uses Glock magazines. The fact is that it can use 33 round magazines just as well as the standard 15 or 17 round mags. And the genius of George Kellgren made this gun in such an unconventional way that it's absolutely fantastic and really interesting in the way it works. It's a standard blowback action with the mainspring that's housed in the tube for the stock, and it uses this to arm the bolt. It's just like the MP5. To send it home, you just slap it down like this. And plus, the fact is that this gun can be basically folded by opening up the trigger guard, and it becomes a really compact package that can be transported in your backpack. Of course, you cannot have any kind of a red dot or optics on top of the top rail, but that doesn't make it less effective because the iron, or I would say the plastic sights, are popped up and maintained at zero even when closed. The gun, of course, cannot be used when it's in the lockdown position, but it allows it to be carried in all those situations where maybe you are not going to be able to see anyone for kilometers or even tens of kilometers, such as the American mountain ranges, where this can be used as a defensive and hunting gun for those situations in emergency or something like that. The length of pull can be adjusted by simply disassembling the gun and using one of these three places of the buttstock to be able to adjust it to the person that shoots the gun. It's a very inexpensive gun. It's priced at about 750-800 euros in Europe. And basically, it's classified as a sports gun in many countries. All in all, it's an unusual gun, pretty interesting and very easy to use. It's easy to disassemble and it's affordable, very accurate. The barrel has a standard 1/2 inch, 28 tracks per inch threading to use suppressors where this is legal. We can't wait to try this at the range. So please continue following all4shooters.com, and any comments, please post them below.